Every town has a heartbeat, a place where stories were told, where first dates began, where families gathered, and where generations laughed together beneath the same lights. Here, in the heart of Hart, one building has quietly witnessed it all. Every great theater has a story. Originally known as the Amuse Theatre, this historic landmark welcomed audiences as early as 1923. In 1931, it became the Hart Theatre, serving as the heart of the community until its doors closed in 1961. Over the years, the building saw many changes, but its story was far from over. Through the vision of Dale and Gail, the theater was lovingly restored, bringing back the magic of silent films, local art, and live music for a new generation. Today, it stands as a reminder that while buildings may age, the stories they hold and the people who preserve them can live on forever. Some buildings are measured by their square footage, others by the lives they've touched. This theater has spent generations bringing people together. Imagine these doors opening once again, welcoming weddings, concerts, celebrations, community events, filling these halls with laughter, music, and life once more. Every great theater deserves another standing ovation. Perhaps the next one begins with you.